How to buy Robux on mobile. In this video, I'll show you how you can buy Robux on Roblox mobile. So to get started, go ahead and open Roblox into your device. So you can do this both on the browser of your mobile device or the Roblox app itself. And then from here, go ahead and click on the Robux button at the right side of the create button, and that will take you into the Robux section. So in here you can go ahead and find your selection of Robux packages that you can avail. So simply click on this preferred Robux amount that you want to avail, and that will take you here. So on the payment section, you'll need to select your payment method. And then once you have selected your payment method, you need to provide the details about your payment method. And then once you have confirmed paying for this amount of Robux for your Roblox account, you can go ahead and receive this amount of Robux to your account immediately once you have bought it.